Hi, it's Katie, and I am here with my Walmart beauty box. These come out 4 times a year. So this is the spring box, and it is only $5 each time, and you can set it up to be recurring. So let's see what I got inside. We just have a little card here. Okay, so I have L'Oreal Paris Advanced Hair Care Total Repair 5 Restoring Shampoo and Conditioner for damaged, overworked hair. And 2 little samples. They smell pretty good. I'm into the smell of shampoos. They have to smell good. Okay, the next one is Caress Fine Fragrance 12-hour fragrance release. Adore Forever is the scent, and it says a long-lasting, irresistible fragrance release on touch. Oh, it's a body wash. Okay. This is a fine fragrance breakthrough, the world's first body wash with fragrance release pearls. A touch-activated technology that releases a burst of perfume every time you touch your skin all day long. So that's what that looks like. So let's see what it smells like. It's kind of musky. Then we have Dial 7-Day Moisturizing Lotion. Soft skin for up to 7 days. Omega Moisture. A little sample. That smells pretty good too. Then we have Lady Gaga Fame Black Fluid perfume sample. It says Tears of Belladonna, Crushed Heart of Tiger Orchidea. I don't know how to pronounce that. With a black veil of incense, pulverized apricot, and the combinative essences of saffron and honey drops. Interesting. Let's see what this smells like. Let it dry for a second. I kind of like that. I don't wear perfume very often, but I kind of like that. And I like that it's a little spray bottle. Those are so much easier to deal with. Then we have Burt's Bees Renewal Intensive Firming Serum with Hibiscus and Apple Rejuvenating Complex. $3 off any renewal product, coupon inside. So we get a little sample here. And then the coupon. Then it looks like we just have a bunch of coupons. We used to get more full-size items. Like we got mascaras, a full deodorant. I can't remember what else, but so I don't know, they've kind of cheapened up the things now. So this coupon is for Women's Rogaine Foam. Save $5. Then we have Nivea In Shower Body Lotion. There is a sample in here. And then a $1 coupon. Then we have L'Oreal Age Perfect Glow Renewal Facial Oil. So there's a little sample there. That's going to be hard to deal with since it's not a resealable, and I doubt, well, maybe there's only one. What is the word I'm looking for? One use in there. So it says it's non-greasy, luxuriously light. 8 essential oils. Here's the other side. This is Maybelline, The Blushed Nudes. All blushed, never hushed. 12 shades, infinite looks. Get it first at Walmart. Pre-sale starting $3.29. So here's this side. And this side. Then we have Garnier New Ultra Lift Miracle Sleeping Cream. Overnight Miracle, the power to reduce signs of fatigue. I could probably use that right now. And it has a little sample right here. And then there's a coupon. Then we have from L'Oreal, New Infallible, the pro look of long wear, up to 24-hour pro results, high intensity colors, lasting comfort. And it shows step 1, up to 24-hour wear, air light texture. Pro matte, I'm guessing that's foundation. Step 2, up to 16-hour shine, define, powder, sorry. Step 3, up to 24-hour intense color, moisturizing feel. And that looks like a lipstick. It might possibly be a lipstick with a lip gloss. Step 4, extend makeup wear AM to PM. So that's a setting spray. So here's that side. And then there's a coupon. And the final thing in the box, Reveal Pearlescent Skin That Glows. Fades the look of dark spots for brighter, healthy looking skin in just 8 weeks. And this is Olay Regenerist Luminous Tone Perfecting Cream. So there's a little sample. And then we have a coupon on the back. So, I mean, they give us a lot of coupons, and at least there's little samples. But I'm a little disappointed with the box that there's not any full items in here. Oh, I think we got a lipstick too. Unless I'm thinking of the Target box, which I usually miss when those come out. And they're usually $5 too. So, but that is my Walmart beauty box. If you're interested in getting this, I don't know that I have a link. You can just go to walmart.com, and I think it might be under samples, or they may have their own spot for it now. So, sorry, my hair looks atrocious right now for some reason. Probably because it's 12:30 at night. So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and comment and subscribe, and I will see you again later. Thanks. Bye.